The SEC-CSC Joint Committee on Digitalization brought in full digital onboarding to the equation. We looked at the entire stock market, looked at every single touch point, every single stakeholder, and brought in digital to every single point. Today, after 17th of September, the investor can go through a full digital onboarding process in less than 5 minutes to create a CDS account. When I mean digital onboarding, it's not just creating the CDS account. It's about taking him through that account creation journey, including create the YouTube channel where he'll get to know the mechanics of investing. So there's a YouTube education channel as well. So how this process was possible is because for the first time we are using automated ID verification as well as eKYC. So within less than 5 minutes, the investor can create the CDS account, immediately transfer the funds through SEFT to the broker and call the broker and start trading. Now, when he creates his account, we brought all the information that he needs to take that right investment decision to the palm of his hand. Through the mobile app, the listed companies can upload their videos. It can be CEO videos, CEO interviews, it can be basically on market updates, it can be product launches. They can write editorials, publications. So digital publishing was brought in for the first time, where at no cost, all the listed companies can put in their content and update the investor on what they're doing. The investor, on the other hand, looks at this app, goes through research reports from the broker, goes through the content of the listed company with its video form or digital publishing, and then takes the investment decision. Now, if the investor wants historic market data, he just has to look at the historic graphs that is available in the app. So whatever the investor wants, the information is at his fingertips. Now, if he wants market updates with its alerts, annual reports, he gets it through in-app messaging. So any market announcement, any alert that the stock market or the stock exchange wants to communicate to him comes through in-app messaging. Annual report has another option of distribution now after 17th of September, which is in-app messaging. So the listed company sends the annual report to the Colombo Stock Exchange and they instantly distribute it through in-app messaging, where the investor from the palm of his hand can view the annual report or to his email box. Now, this brings a totally new paradigm to the shift to the listed company, because now their compliance cost comes down drastically and they get to interact and communicate with the investor instantly. Whether it's their articles, whether it's their videos, whether it's their messaging, whether it's their annual report, quarterlies, or whatever form, and at no cost. The brokering house, on the other hand, earlier used to have physical contract notes. All contract notes and all manual documents have been completely eliminated and everything has been transferred to digital content. When it comes to investor, previously, it took 14 days for the investor to get dividends. Odd market rules have been amended for electronic settlement, where with electronic settlements within 2 market dates, the dividend comes to his bank account. All correspondence, if you can register his email, comes through email and in-app messaging, and any trade every day at the day end comes to a summarized SMS alert. So the governance framework with regard to trading has been enhanced with electronic methods to ensure that whatever transaction executed is communicated to him instantly. The stock exchange and the central depository system has eliminated all manual records. All their statements are distributed electronically and the process is automated. So this entire digital ecosystem has been revamped with enhanced security, where even biometrics is available for the investor through the app. So we've looked at every single touch point, whether it's an investor, whether it's the Colombo Stock Exchange, whether it's a brokering house and the listing company, and redesign digitally the entire value proposition.